At the time of the Prophet ﷺ, a verse came down. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, He says, وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ. For Allah is the what? What's in the heavens and also what's in the earth. All of it's for who? And this part of the verse came down, which is what? وَإِن تُبْدُوا مَا فِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَوْ تُخْفُوهُ يُحَاسِبْكُم بِهِ اللَّهُ. If you bring out what's inside you and you act upon it, or if you hold it inside your hearts and you don't act upon that feeling or that thought, you will be punished for it regardless. Allah will account you for it. So I thought of doing something wrong. I didn't do it. I just thought of it. Just by thinking of it, 𝗘𝗃𝗲𝗵. Allah will account you for it. When this ayah came down, the Sahabas, they came crying to the Prophet. They said, Ya Rasulullah, this we can't do. We're human beings. Bad thoughts comes to our minds and our hearts. And we don't act upon it, we let it go. But we're going to be held account just for thinking it. That's what the ayah said. Allah said to them, the Prophet said to them, are you going to say, we hear and we disobey? Are you going to say what the Jews said, سَمِعْنَا وَعَصَيْنَا? We hear, we disobey. Say we what? We hear and we obey. So what did they say? وَقَالُوا سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا غُفْرَانَكَ رَبَّنَا وَإِلَيْكَ الْمَصِيرُ. Oh Allah, forgive us for what? For our mistake. The statement that we shouldn't have said it. We shouldn't have said, oh Allah, we're not going to act upon the verse. What came down? The ayah after it. لَا يُكَلِّفُ. As soon as they said that, we hear and we obey. Oh Allah, forgive us for our shortcomings. What came down? لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت. You will only be held account for what you do, not the thoughts that come to your mind. 𝗵𝗀 said, and remember this, when you come to a verse and you think to yourself you can't act upon it and you find it very hard, or there's a situation where you think you cannot hold on to the deen on this particular issue, say, oh Allah, I obey you and I hear what you say. And ease will come for you just like it came for the Sahabas when this situation was on their heart and mind.